A conference room at 10:30 in the morning. A specialist department is in a meeting with the in-house IT team. The department head is baffled.
So let me get this straight. Our current application environment contains a number of old functionalities that we no longer need, which has made it too complex to operate. We have now reached a point where it is necessary to adapt the existing solutions to the current functional requirements, and you're telling me that you need 3 months to make these modifications, with no guarantee that this is actually enough time. But the process has to be implemented in the system in 4 weeks.
It can't be done. We need an absolute minimum of 3 months. And on top of that, I have no idea where I am supposed to find the manpower. Not to mention, your department often makes more demands afterwards, meaning it will take longer anyway.
Pardon me for interrupting, but we can have a prototype ready for your new process in just 3 weeks.
And who are you? And how do you intend to complete a prototype with these requirements in 3 weeks? What, with 10 developers? What do you actually mean by prototype?
My name is Olivia Vogt. I'm from Steria, and in this case, we need only 1 solution architect and 1 developer. We will create your prototype with the help of our software factory, the Steria Software Factory. This is where we assemble modules for your desired application and adapt them to your specific requirements. The advantage is that each module can be individually designed, developed, and tested. This means that your department can look over the developer's shoulder, so to speak, during real workshops and let them know about any modification requests you may have during the development phase. Normally, the solution can be tested after just 2 weeks. With this approach, we are able to provide you with a working, that is, finished, application in just 3 weeks. The fact that virtually every module can be combined with all the others means that it is possible to create applications that would otherwise take much longer using a traditional development approach. Also, the size of the project is not an issue either. We can create everything from small to large applications at our software factory. Among other things, the success of your company depends on how quickly your software can be adapted to new requirements. Thanks to the software factory, new functionalities you may need in the future can be quickly integrated, while modules and functionalities that are no longer needed are simply removed. This will also eliminate for good the dilemma you faced at the beginning of this meeting. Not only are we able to adapt functionalities to your needs quickly and easily, it is also possible to customize the user interface. This means that every employee has a clearly organized desktop with only the information and functionalities that he or she actually needs. If you want, the user interface can also be made available on mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets, within 3 weeks as well. In short, our software factory provides the following benefits: short development times, a high degree of flexibility far into the future, compatibility with your current system, customized user-friendly interfaces.
That sounds intriguing. If I understand correctly, I explained to you what our requirements are and you can already do a real workshop with me on our system next week. If I'd known about this earlier, I would have kept 3 or 4 hours free for you right now.
Then give us a call at +49 30 206 1880.